High-speed medical syringe manufacturing begins with precision and automation. This fully integrated line produces 3 milliliter, 5 milliliter, and 10 milliliter syringes with fast output and consistent quality. First, the machine manufactures syringe plungers. The finished plungers are then collected and moved to the next stage. At the same time, syringe barrels are produced with accurate shaping and smooth finishing. Next comes gasket manufacturing, creating the rubber stopper used inside the syringe. The assembly process then begins. Barrels are sorted and aligned for accurate positioning. Scale markings are printed onto each barrel for clear measurement readings. After that, the needle adapter is inserted into the barrel. The gasket is assembled onto the plunger, preparing it for final integration. Then, the needle assembly is installed onto the syringe barrel. Once assembled, finished syringes move automatically toward the packaging system. Each syringe is sealed through pouch packaging, helping maintain hygiene and product safety. From raw material to final packaging, every step works together to deliver fast, precise, and reliable syringe production.